Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have kind of a different video for you guys. This is actually going to be a makeup challenge or tag, I guess you could call it. My friend Sierra had requested that I make this video. Let me see the original creator. Where'd I put it? And the creator of this tag, I believe, is Lane Logue. I will put her information on the screen and in the description bar so you guys can find her on Instagram. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube. But basically what we're going to do today is you choose a palette, and today I have chosen the Emily Edit The Once palette by Makeup Revolution. And what you do is you take the number of eyeshadows there are, which in this case there are 24. You write each number down on a piece of paper, you know, fold it up, mix it up, you pick out 3 numbers, and then the numbers that correspond with the shadows in the palette are the shadows that you're going to use for your makeup look. She only picked 3 colors. I'm going to make my own rules. I'm going to pick 4 colors, and that way if I want to use all 4 colors I can, or if I want to just use 3 of the 4 I can. So that's how I'm going to do it today. So hopefully you all enjoy this kind of video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up and I can continue to do these kinds of videos. But here we go. We're going to go ahead and reach in and pick our numbers. There's 1, 2, I think they're all kind of sticking together. 3, and then 4. Okay, so let's see what numbers we have here. Okay, we have number 1, which is going to be this color here, which is cream. We have number 19, which is going to be this one right here called Cupcake. We have number 3, which is going to be this one right here called Prayer. And then our last color is going to be number 6, which is going to be this one right here, which is Side Hustle, which is a green. So other than the green, we've got a pretty neutral look going on today, guys. So let's see what we can come up with. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids with the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. This is like the only eyeshadow primer I will use, other than like the e.l.f. glitter primer, which I really like to use not only for glitter but for like metallic shadows or shimmer shadows. They just help it, like, you know, stay on and show up better. So I'm gonna let that sink in a little bit, figure out what the heck kind of look I'm gonna do today, you guys. So I guess we're gonna have, you know, the neutral colors and then a pop of green in there. So maybe this will turn out, it's not gonna go with my outfit at all, but that's okay. I'm pretty excited for this challenge. It, like, you know, if you're having trouble figuring out like what kind of makeup look you want to do, this is kind of an easy way to help you out. So okay, let me grab some makeup brushes. That might help with today's look, some makeup brushes. I think I already know that I'm probably going to use that cream color right here. Where am I? Right here. I'm probably going to use that on the brow bone. Maybe a little bit on the lid. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm going to do with these colors, you guys, but we're going to figure it out. Sierra, this is all your fault. If this doesn't turn out, I blame you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead in with the Prayer color here. This 3rd color right here. And I'm just going to put this in the crease as like the transition color, or what have you. So I'm just going to get that laid down in the crease. So I think I'm going to cheat a little bit. I mean, I don't know if this is in the rules or not, but to help out this look, I'm going to use this Liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow by Wet n Wild in the color Goldilocks. Really love this color. I think that'll help tie in the green a little bit. I'm still going to use the other colors of the shadows that we've chosen. Okay, I am going to go ahead and put some of that cream color, that white, kind of off-white color on my lid. And to help that kind of show up a little more and stick better, I'm going to go ahead and first with the Milani Shadow Eyes 24-Hour Wear Eyeshadow Pencil in Snowy White. It's just a white like jumbo pencil, kind of like the NYX pencil, if you guys were familiar. That was like all over YouTube years ago as like a great eyeshadow primer or base to kind of, you know, help your shadows be more vibrant and of course stay on better. So I'm just gonna blend that out just a tad. Okay, now I'm gonna take that cream shadow, this white one right here, and pack that on my lids to set that white base, of course. It's gonna look a little messy now, but hopefully in the end it will turn out okay. I'm gonna go back in with that prayer color that we used in the crease and kind of clean up around that white again. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of the cupcake color here on the bottom, which was the color number 19 that we chose. And I'm just going to use a little bit of that to blend out the top of this transition color, so it's not so harsh. And that color is a tad shimmery, but it's not like overly shimmery to where it's gonna, you know, show up too much. It just helps it blend out and look more blended. Okay, and then I'm also going to put a little more of that cream white color up here on the brow bone. Okay, I think we're ready to go in with that green color, which was Side Hustle. Right here on the end. Ooh, wrong side. Right here on the end. I'm just using the same brush, which is a Jeffree Star JS5 brush. It's one of the blender brushes that came with his, you know, set with Morphe. I'm just going to take this in the outer, on the outer corner, kind of blend that inward. Actually, I think I need a little, let's try this one. This is the JS6 brush that also came in that kit. We're gonna try this one, see if this one works a little better. Yeah, this one's a little more packed, so you can pack it on. I'm just gonna like blend that up into the crease just a little bit, and keeping it mainly on the like outer half of the eyelid. And the same with the other side, of course. This look definitely is not gonna go with my outfit, but that's okay. So if you guys have not checked it out yet, I do have a new channel with my boyfriend. We started a new channel together and it's called Schmoopies. I will link it up here and also down in the description bar in case you guys are interested. Right now we have a few mukbang videos on there. If you guys are, you know, into those kind of videos where you sit and eat with us, and we kind of, you know, go into story time of how we met and things like that. And then there's also a girlfriend tag where I answer a bunch of questions that Jamie has for me. And then there's also kind of like a day in the life of, you know, Lindsay and Jamie vlog on there. So if you guys are interested in any of those, I will link our channel up above and down below so you guys can check it out, and I'd really appreciate the support if you are interested. Now I think we are ready to go in. We actually need a little more, a little darker on this edge. Now I think we're ready to go in with the Goldilux liquid shadow, and I'm just going to put that a little bit on the center in each eye and kind of blend the white in with the green. Just kind of dabbing it on a little bit. kind of giving it like a halo effect. I do want to take that actually up into the crease just a little bit for a little more dramatic halo effect. I'm just going to clean off my shadow brush here. I got this little clean sweep makeup brush pad at TJ Maxx. It works awesome to clean your brushes in between colors. I'm just gonna like dab that out just a tad, just so it's not like a line across my lid. Okay, I feel like I did lose some of that cream color on the inside of the lid as well, so I'm gonna add a little more of that too, just to brighten it up a little more. Okay, and I think that is it for the top of the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera since this is mainly just about the eyes, and I'll be right back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, now I am back with my finished face stuff, and we're gonna continue with the eyes. We're gonna go ahead and finish the lower lash line. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go in the waterline with my NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in light. This is the lightest one that they have. I think they still make this. I've actually had this for a while, but I'm pretty sure they still make it. So I'm gonna very carefully go in this waterline without trying to mess up the rest of my makeup. And then that just kind of like brightens up your eyes a little bit and makes you look more awake, makes them look more open. Okay, now I'm just gonna go along the bottom with the lightest shade that we picked, which is this one, Cupcake. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and then blend out the lower lash line. And then just kind of try to connect it with like this outer part here so it all kind of blends together seamlessly. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in with this prayer color that we used in the crease and blend that out along the bottom as well, just to darken it up a little. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the green color that we used on top, the Side Hustle color that we used on the outer portion of the lid. We're going to take that underneath as well. And I'm going to use a little brush like this to kind of get it close into the lash line. I'm just kind of focusing this on like the outer, like 3/4 of the lower lash line. I'm not bringing it all the way in. And again, kind of connecting that with the green on the top. And then I'm just gonna clean off my blending brush and then just kind of blend that all together. Okay, and here's the finished look. I honestly think it turned out pretty okay. I would wear this again. So thank you, Sierra, for getting me to do this video. I actually had a lot of fun. But yeah, if you guys are interested in what I use on the rest of my face, I can link all of that down below. But if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and thank you all so much for watching. And if you are interested in doing this tag yourself, then I tag everybody watching this video right now. Thanks again, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.